Maximum flight altitude reached. Maximum flight altitude reached.
This is Tajammul Adel. On my recent visit to Medina, I had the opportunity to visit mysterious valley known as Wadi al-Bayda, or also called Wadi al-Jinn or Magnetic Hills. In this mysterious valley where the car moved without the driver touching them, I wanted to fly a drone in the Magnetic Hills and enjoy the drone experience. By the way, when I was driving towards Wadi al-Bayda, the car had too much friction. I flew the drone on the way to the Magnetic Hills where the car had too much friction, but here I flew the drone at low height to enjoy the amazing view of Wadi al-Jinn. After reaching the Wadi al-Bayda, I flew the drone again and see what's happened to the drone.
Maximum flight altitude reached. Maximum flight altitude reached.
Now I change the maximum altitude to 500 meter, distance to 5000 meter, and also update the RTH altitude and see what's happened.
Maximum flight altitude reached. Maximum flight distance reached. Maximum flight distance reached. Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
When I left Mysterious Valley and drove back to the Medina city, the car ran freely and reached 120 km/h without touching the accelerator. Drove 5 to 7 km away from Wadi al-Bayda, enjoyed the experience of flying a drone.
Maximum flight distance reached. Maximum flight altitude reached. Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I have heard many stories about cars are moving automatically because of optical illusion or downhills while going bag, but my experience of drone flying is quite different. First point, the drone cannot reach to the top of the mountain hills. Second point, the drone cannot fly too much far away from the starting point. Third point, the drone battery dries in less than 10 minutes, and I tried 2 different batteries, but result remains same. I have no idea what exactly is there, magnetic hills or spiritual forces, but my experience was wonderful. If you are interested in unboxing videos, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and see you next time.